What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So first, we're going to see if we can't get that screw out of that chamber. And I think we got it. Haha. So you're trying to tell me that that was a valve cover screw? That was the broke valve cover screw. That's crazy. I guess now we probably can start pulling this transmission off. I'm under debate if I should clean the block first or if I should pull the transmission off. So the last time I did this, I broke this nipple, but it wasn't this nipple, it was the one that goes up the nipple back there. So this time I'm just going to take it off of here. That way I can save myself a ton of work. Yeah, see, you live and you learn. Last time I took it off from the wall and I could have just took it off from right there. So you live and you learn.
Tell me what's going on. Can you take me there before the morning comes? Can you make me care?
All right,
tell me what's going on.
That is the axle. And next, we gotta do the transmission bolts and the transmission mount bolts. We gotta do the transmission mount bolts and then do the transmission bolts. In other news, the transmission is off. Whoever told me to take this off inside of this bay, I'm sorry I listened to you. I should have just did it the way I did it the first time. But the transmission is off. And next we gotta get the clutch plate off. The clutch, next we have to get the pressure plate and flywheel off. This is too much of work to get to the timing. This is way too much work.
We're all born to the same sunrise. It's getting brighter all the time. 'Cause all my friends, they know, been making messes out of silence. If we're the same.
Okay, so since I got that correct, I can't do the top. I can't put the top back on until I clean this. So I said I wanted to clean this. So I picked up some things. I got some blue napkins, some gloves, some Scotch-Brite, and some WD-40. And I also got a small scraper. Now, I watched Humble Mechanic do this, so I'm pretty much just going to follow the same steps that he did. He just pretty much took the degreaser, sprayed the degreaser on the top of the pistons, and took some Scotch-Brite and just scraped it up, and then kind of just took the peeler and just kind of just peel back lightly some of the stuff, not trying to indent the block or anything, just to kind of clean up the old gasket that was there. So that is the goal for right now. I'll set you guys up and I'll catch you guys back in a bit. And I also want to go ahead and do the head too. That way I just make sure all the surfaces are clean and good to go. Just to show you what I mean though, like see how this gasket is still like on there? Just kind of scrape it off.
Somebody save me from the madness.
I know it's not all professional done, but it does look better than it did before. That had some really nasty rust buildup, like right here and right here, right here and right here, just really bad rust buildup. So all of that is gone now. And also this is clean better too now. And I made sure and I went through and cleaned all of the walls off, all of the cylinder walls off, so nothing is down inside of the walls too. And Euro Tuning did send me over the head gasket. Everything's wrapped up, and they did send me the new head gasket. Let's get this bad girl open. And it is the metal head gasket too. There is the part number 2. While I'm at it, let me go ahead and put this in top dead center. Alright, so now let's go ahead and set the head in timing. I might have to go ahead and end the video here. I did get the head off, got it clean, got it back on, new head gasket in it, valves were checked. I did get the head back in timing. All I have to do is screw the nuts back down on top of it. I got all the head bolts back in, so the head is down and torqued all the way down. The bottom is in time down there. So all I have to do tomorrow is come back and put the chain back on, make sure it is timed correctly, put the transmission back on, put the main seal back on, and then we might can get it crunk up tomorrow. I don't know, but I got to get my girl off of work now, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.